Ayan, nakita niyo na, since nakita niyo na yung vinyl, nakita niyo na rin yung CD, hindi pa rin tapos ang Flames Fever natin. Dahil meron din tayong Flames shirt! Wow! There are 2 Flames shirts na available. So, one is exclusive for Beanie members and one is exclusive and available for everyone. Exclusive. So, yung isa po for Beanie members and yung isa for everyone. Available po siya. So, nasa screen natin lahat.
Bini Global.
Ano sabi ko po?
Bini members.
Sa ating 8 lang yan. For Beanie Global members!
Okay, go.
Yes, so sa lahat ng hindi pa po members, pwede kayo magpa-member kung gusto niyo makuha yung specific design na yon. Kasi, yung isang design for Beanie Global members lang siya and yung isang design ang available for everyone.
Yeah. So, kung gusto nyo pong makuha yung exclusive shirt, why don't you just subscribe to our website para ma-avail nyo na yung both shirts. So, yeah. So, the pre-sale for members will begin on January 20. Then, for non-members is January 21. Yan. So, sa mga hindi pa po nakabili ng Flames vinyl and CD, it's alright because we'll reopen orders for